welcome to our vlog.
So for today's video guys, naging bakal kami nga parcel sa So for today's video guys, naging bakal kami nga investment para sa amon nga pag-start sa vlogging area namon. Yes. So nagbakal kami guys sing microphone for our vlogging contents para mas ma-better nyo kami mga patian, kag mas better nyo kami nga Mamma Mia! So, ari guys, ang amon yung bakal guys.
It's a lapel.
It's a lapel mic nga gina-connect lang through phone, either Type-C or lightning cable. So, let's unbox this guys. Ikaw ma-unbox.
Ikaw ma-unbox. Hanggang gaano siya, ga-unbox. Ako makakain. Wow!
Frank.
Nagutom ko mo.
So, buksan ta guys.
Pero sakit akong sinang.
It's an investment para sa amon nga vlog guys. Para long lasting and durable ang amon nga bakal. We decided to do some research and to find out what's the better microphone to use for vlogging. Have decided to buy this mic because it has many good reviews according to them, and it is widely used by some professionals also. So we have bought the Boya Mini 2 lapel mic. So these mics, it has a USB receiver Type-C and then the lightning receiver. So let's unbox this guys. First, we're going to show you the box. This is the box. It has a good build in quality. Let's now unbox this lapel mics. As you can hear guys, sa video namon, very noisy ang palibot and very hangin. So, mabatian yung ang mga daod sa palibot. That's why we decided to invest.
And din try naman doon sa school, sa manghod ko, kay may event. So, perfect siya.
First thing in the box guys is the warranty card, and then the instruction for the Boya mic, and then we have the tutorial on how to connect the Boya Mini.
May ano siya, may bag siya.
It's a pouch and silicone gel. And they also have a Type-C cable. Then let's go to the main part of the video guys.
Sorry sa gahon.
Sorry sa gahon. That's why we bought a lapel mic that has a good quality for noise reduction and AI reduction. So first is we have the Type-C receiver of the Boya for Android use and for some laptops. And then finally, on our main item, the main reason we bought a lapel mic is the lapel mic itself. This is its case. Let's unwrap this. Why am I talking in English? Natuloy-tuloy na.
Hindi na po ko kaya gano.
Naging English na.
Ano ni siya?
Okay, unboxing ta guys. Sorry sa background noise. Ay kami sa school. So this is the Boya Mini 2 lapel mic. So this is what's inside. It has two lapel.
Kala mo mahambal siya ng Mini 2 love?
Mini 1 niya is ang previous. Mini 2 yan sa buong latest nga version. Let's plug this in. It's charging na guys.
I was the one who actually
suggested or recommended the product. Yes. So, we have successfully charged the Boya mic. Let's now test the Boya mic on our phone guys. So, let's see the quality. If madula, gyud bala ang noise sa palibot kag ang wind noises, no? Kung ma-cancel out na gid man ang mga noise sa palibot kag ma-reduce niya. nga amon lang nga tingog mabatian nyo. So, this is the receiver for iOS. So, let's now plug it in. So, green na siya guys. Connected na siya. Let's try.
ASMR.
Can you hear us guys? Hello! Hello guys! What's the quality? Hindi pa naman guys mabalaan kung ano kitang quality sa mic nga ni kung mabatian nyo gimang kami.
Sakit akong baba. May singaw.
So, lantaon gani naman guys sa may video if okay, wag naka-connect na ang mic. Okay guys, na-check na naman ang lapel mic. Okay siya. So, today, we're going to test naman kung ang difference niya. So, this is the audio for the iPhone without the lapel mic. So, let's now plug it in na. What's the audio? Now, this is the audio for the lapel mic of Boya Mini 2.
Mas ano siya, mas clear, pag mas tunog siya.
Yes.
Pag medyo na-lessen niya na
Ang noise sa palibot. Pero guys, may isa pa niya siya guys ka-feature, which is ang AI noise reduction niya. Let's turn it on guys. So, may press lang kita sa may kilid.
Sa baba may
Yun, nag-blue na siya guys.
How about mine?
Yun, nag-blue naman siya. So, what's the difference guys sa AI noise reduction niya subong? Mas better bala siya kaysa kagina nga wala siya noise reduction or mas better ning may noise reduction na siya? Let's check it out. I-check out naman ang video kung di ang may noise reduction kag wala noise reduction guys.
So guys, salagali, ang green light, ang na siya ang may eye cancellation. Well, ang blue, di ba lang ang na ang
Normal mode.
Normal mode. Okay, kay
So,
kagina ang nahambal lang is baliskad.
Yes. So, ang green light, guys, is with noise cancellation, which is right now, naka-noise cancellation. So, guys, this is the quality audio of the Boya Mini 2.
Wala ko ginaway sa likod ka camera. Hindi mo sa pag-ikat, ha?
So, this is the end of our vlog, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching our channel.
And if you like our videos,
We make videos about Wix something new to watch.
and please like and comment if you want.
Thanks for watching our channel.
And if you like our videos,
We make videos about Wix something new to watch.
and please like